Say entina make a chemo say. No, you play you are yempese be kan to abonten because the moment you be kan no teams be so power mo.
Okay.
Remember man dey be kakra and ye hide. Na ye bibia wi you be kan abonten.
Because mo ko boss semi final dey na we say mo ko pe Kivicha mu bi o. Enya sa mo ntimi o rich.
Agano ni bobo. You dey even torment.
No.
Ojibo no onso bia wo.
Charlie.
Onso defend bia.
Different guy.
Especially there's also any opamikano. Ana data. Oh. We dey say nkranga. Kona lama grading koku no.
On the Charlie
koku no line so.
Nya dey crown.
No.
The road to Budapest, no, I think now we have finalized it.
Sure.
And after another game, no, I was asking myself a lot of questions because who would have thought, say, we draw no for round of 16, no, a few months down the line, we would have gotten only Paris Saint-Germain and Arsenal who are going to play in the final. We share path ni ye pa. Utumu said there were other teams that were capable of playing in the final. Share Liverpool. Yes, this season they've had their own troubles. Share Team B, to say Real Madrid. They've also had their own troubles. Oko the other side, share Team B to say Barcelona. They've also had quite a season now. They will look back and say, we could have done better. Look at the team that says Sporting CP. After Bodo Glimt, we're trying to do everything possible to go through. Sporting CP by now, we in that very pulsating game. But at the end of the day, only Arsenal share, Arsenal got the slim margin over them. And now we have this final between Paris Saint-Germain and the Arsenal. At the end of the day, it will come down to two things, sir. When you look closely at their pedigree this season, Rich, Paris Saint-Germain has 44 goals this campaign alone. 44 goals. So it tells you how sharp their attack is. Look at Arsenal. Also considering 6 goals only the whole Champions League campaign. So the final is between two teams. One has a very good attack. One has a very good defense.
Oh, the unbeaten Hako final.
Yes. So, number one, the stakes couldn't be higher. But number two, the records of both teams makes the tie that we are looking forward to very, very interesting, Rich. And I know for sure, say, it's here for the we are waiting to hear my prediction. Because now fans will say, so what do you have to say, which I've already said. Oh, Debbie. Send me the name of Bekai. That's not true. Arteta, I like Arteta, Rich. But if you want me to choose between Arteta and Luis Enrique, Rich, I'll come there very soon. Between Arteta and Luis Enrique, I said yesterday, what made me really appreciate Luis Enrique was the kind of strategy of the ball born.
What's your first game?
Come on, say yesterday we were kind. So during the pre-match conference, no, Vincent Company Kasembi said whether the game would be a repeat of the first leg would depend on what the two teams want on the day. And it was quite clear. So with Bayern Munich playing at home and chasing the game, their idea and identity and their structure that they came into the game with was to attack and get a goal. And if they got that goal, the fans would have come behind them. The confidence on the pitch would have increased. But that was the same way. Luis Enrique is to me an idea. Say, I need to find a way to suffocate these guys. And I'll come there, the kind of strategy here. And now, on the ball match, now I really had so much respect for him. Because, and now I'll demonstrate, he said, if you want me to come all out at you in a game where if I get a goal, I am comfortable, then you don't get it. Because at a point, Vincent Company knew that there was no way he would have to defend. He had to attack from start to finish. You need to get the goals. So that was one thing. When I watched Luis Enrique, I realized that he has become very smart at that kind of play. And Obe bought that play no, to get the most out of the game. And that was what he did yesterday. Rich, it was just 1-1. And in fact, Bayern Munich for no, they will think and say that Hurricane go with Bantema and can it the pressure is simple for you so and get one more goal to push the game into extra time.
And into the name is going to consider that early.
Yes,
because it was the game plan of Paris Saint-Germain. Yeah, Kono already one goal dada.
Yeah,
which Bayern bet tries or bet ten in them.
Yes,
no a level game no.
Yeah.
Now for when him.
Yeah,
it's Kono yam koso first goal. Yam for one settle one.
Yes,
and on say sometimes all go away. Na ushe go bisa na ko two. Like you said.
Yeah.
Ebasa team no, you have to attack for the whole 90 minutes.
You have no business in
defend.
Nothing. You can't defend.
So me now I knew.
Yeah.
Say even Paris Saint-Germain, sorry, Bayern Munich
yeah.
So Paris Saint-Germain score.
Yes. And Rich, do you know what makes it worse for Bayern Munich? Look at Desiree Doué. Look at Ousmane Dembele. Look at Kvaratskhelia. Kvaratskhelia. Rich,
Neves.
Yeah.
Vitinha. Fabian
Ruiz coming back into the scene. And yesterday I was so impressed with the way they defended, and I wasn't surprised so when you're man of the match. Yeah. I'll come there, but back-to-back finals for PSG. I think in the history of Champions League, they will look at themselves and say, "Oh my God, because the last team to have done this was Real Madrid, 16-17, and to come to the final at this point, the only thing they'll be telling themselves is that we need to find a way to win it." And not the statistics, 18 to 15 shots. And yes, even though Paris Saint-Germain came with a very pragmatic kind of mindset, balance in defense, balance in attack, they found a way to get most of the shots. Because the two teams now, Bayern has a very good attack, Paris Saint-Germain has a very good attack. Bayern have quite a very questionable defense, but Paris Saint-Germain yesterday, in defensive solidity, only defending. And when we were attacking, they found a way to use the zonal areas to get the most out of the team. There's one thing I realized about the game, Rich. Kvaratskelia's ingenuity, the smartness that he came in the game with. And now there was one thing that Luis Enrique was using, and that is how he was able to suffocate Michael Olise. Michael Olise has become more of Rafael Leao, which I don't agree with you, and I'll tell you why.
Okay.
And now again, there was a clear plan to suffocate the boy. Clear plan. What was the plan? In most instances of the game, PSG any goal kick. Now boy. Intentionally, Sofona will play the ball out of play. About goal kick, I'm not try line, I'm not throwing. And that throwing in that area was the area of Michael Olise. So once the ball goes out of the pitch, and there's a throwing that was a corner line, instantly they overload that area. It continued so many times. Because ball will go out, I was a bit ball. At one so he can recycle possession, but he wasn't getting it that way. And if you watch most of those instances, the ball was coming to Michael Olise, but Michael Olise couldn't use the ball for anything. And Rich, there were so many instances in the game where this repeated itself. So for Slovenia, goal kick, he will play it out. Then there will be a throwing. One of the throwings in Rich, look at the number of PSG players around Michael Olise. Just look at it. Fabian Ruiz, right? Vitinha, Kvaratskhelia. And once they suffocate the kind of play that Michael Olise gets in Yabono, he's not able to function. Okay, so when the ball is turned, possession.
My 2 point, I say. So at this point, I think that Metidiawo can say then, and some can advantage crowd Edema Bayern because you.
Yeah.
Michael Olise I draw 3 players the amount.
Okay.
When say Oje ball now you're productive. Ball back. One pass back could be up to space. the likelihood of Beshane was slow.
But Rich,
but okuta ball ne chadodo.
You would also
agree. I was more say me Michael Olise in the ball.
You would also agree, say, amongst the attackers of Bayern yesterday, Jamal Musiala, Luis Diaz, right, Michael Olise, and Harry Kane. The leader amongst them was Michael Olise. If you give Michael Olise chance, he's able to carry the ball and he's able to outwit Nuno Mendes. Luis Diaz also forgetting the Kakre, he becomes frustrated. And now here. And Bayern Munich wasted too much time trying to find the right space to convert, because once they were not getting the goals, I was expecting, say, at least obey 18 yards, no shoot back. But they were always trying to get the right space, to get the right shot on target, which I thought didn't really help them. So once they suffocated Michael Olise, the whole attack became toothless. And now who should Jamal Musiala? He didn't get his day. So that was how Luis Enrique got the best out of this Paris Saint-Germain team. Because to score a goal in the 3rd minute, it means that number one, Bayern Fono would have had to go so forward, they would have lost touch of what is happening behind them. And you saw the 1-2 pass between Fabian Ruiz and Kvaratskhelia. And once that ball goes into space, Rich, you know what is coming next? You know it. You can see, say PSG, last season and this season, all the games they won in the run-up to the final, and now this time around you can see, say, between last season and this season they've had a more difficult set of games, because to score Chelsea home and away, yes, it was an overwhelming score line, but still you can say that game was quite tricky. Liverpool 4 games, say, then to come and then outwit Bayern Munich was a very good thing. And now the star of the moment, Kivica Kvaratskhelia. Rich, I think one thing in Crawford ever miss out is that this guy will not be at the World Cup. Because Bianca Portugal for because ye Kofano on loan. I'm another bomb.
There we go. Kofano.
Yeah, Ghana for Ghana more. We get more so Portugal.
Imagine our brand new flanker.
The guy is good. The guy is good. Rich. And I think I need to give him a lot of credit, because when you look at the PSG team, they have a lot of talent, but they are so minded about what the coach wants from them. And it's your one. Every day they say it. Say at PSG, once you don't press for the ball, you're going to sit on the bench.
No, this is Yankasa. PSG will final because of this guy.
Yes. And I side with you. I agree with you. Because the kind of play the guy is playing.
Go so much.
Yes, it's true. The attack.
Or the orchestrator.
Yes. Yes. And again.
It's before cry about final. Answer for this myself.
Okay. Almost
I do final now. We'll do a discussion around the game. But I'm for opinion to see.
Yeah.
So the one cause I was start to can say you been a final one team very good when it comes to attack, which is PSG.
44 goals this season.
And now you been one team on very good only defense, which is Arsenal.
6 goals.
They're unbeaten.
Yes.
And a real final. No?
Yeah.
So looking at these two near me, if we someone to win the Champions League, good defense, good attack.
I'm saying in Premier, there's the saying that goes that good defense will win you trophies.
Yeah.
But Rich,
your attack will score you goals, but your good defense
will win you
the
trophy. But Rich, you see, I want to look at the hunger of Arsenal players and say, because they haven't played in the final in 20 years in the Champions League, the kind of mentality that they will come into the game with may give them a slighter edge ahead of PSG. I get it. Say, PSG's attack is ruthless. Say, or shower, any 1 or 2. They don't care whether it's even in the final. You saw what they did to Inter Milan last season. They don't care. But on the day, Arsenal would have to be extra careful the way they defend. So that the kind of play we saw yesterday, because Luis Enrique also has his dark arts. There are some dark arts that Luis Enrique puts into the game to get the victory for himself. But on that day, it will, number one, depend on the hunger of the Arsenal players. And number two, it will depend on how Arsenal can defend in times during the game where they will not lose concentration. I think Arsenal can get a 1-0 victory over PSG in the final. Otherwise, Rich, if PSG say Kim, there's no way Arsenal will be able to win that final. No way. There's no way. So even on that day, I'm telling you that the records that I've mentioned, best attack, best defense, it may not matter. It will be about the ingenuity of the two managers. But on that day, if Arsenal can demonstrate that they are hungry enough, which I think Arsenal can be able to shock them.
Sylvester Mensah say attack can score you goals and win games, but defense wins trophies. Frank Owai, Paris Saint-Germain is scanning UEFA. Till you. As a PSG is scanning UEFA, they will intentionally play the UEFA Champions League playoff to avoid certain teams run off whilst others are facing difficult clubs this season and last season. I don't think so. They peak at the right time.
Yeah, that's true.
From last season and this season, because last season almost started Basa. And now the playoff big room.
Yeah.
After the playoff, no.
Yeah.
Obi or share PSG team.
Yeah, we agree.
A solid team.
Yes.
This season is the same thing.
Yeah.
Even from the friend league, results.
Yeah. That's true. That's true.
Now my results are inconsistent.
Yeah.
Much say ne they follow no man draw near the.
Only pick your mobile.
It is maybe now man for crack say.
Yeah.
And we are wicked no say kind.
Yeah.
First season now no bit my year bia emfa.
Yeah.
All of a sudden this year so Osakobo playoff was picky at the right time. And we should teams
and at the end of the day, that's what really matters. Rich, answer the Metnase.
Now we are no.
I think the biggest talking points from last night's game was the officiating. Now, one thing that a lot of people need to know about and say, referee Joao Pinheira will be refereeing at the World Cup. And another game was his only 15th game officiating in the UCL. So people are saying, I don't need experience, or what is going on? Because the only incidents or handball incidents there were certain instances in the game where buying for the thoughts that was continue still normal. And there some, fouls. But I think at the end of the day, what it comes down to, and another FIFA Aircan, the inconsistencies in the refereeing decisions ain't too much. Rich. And World Cup ever. And this is the biggest World Cup.
Clear.
Come on. On best game no. And we will finish the match. When everybody wants to move on and look forward to the next games, we will be stuck discussing refereeing decisions. And what? Rich, answer na Metnase crown. Chelsea for no almost more resign. Chelsea fans no almost more resign. No, but somebody will try to because Chelsea for no almost more resign. Ojait was a resignation as a fan.
Wa mu no mde ko mo. To boli anase I clearly go.
Edia be that ball in a bag. It's a code be any but na me do match na.
Okay.
You be code be also Saturday.
No problem.
Cause be ba.
Cosmos tete o message in am di chat na ye be fie abedi fie nkomo say Arsenal and PSG both qualified for the grand finale with a goal from left-footed players Bukayo Saka and Ousmane Dembele. Okay.